Hey guys, myself Priti Kudalkar and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be talking about another very interesting topic that is, this topic stands true no matter what field you are in. That is mastering. सो आई वॉच्ड हीरा मंडी। तो मैंने हीरा मंडी देखा कुछ दिन पहले और मैंने देखा कि संजय लीला बंसाली सर ने गंगूबाई काठियावाड़ी भी किया था, देवदास भी किया था और अब हीरा मंडी। What do you think is the similarity in these? It's the kothas and the tawaifs and the people, the prostitutes, the location, the setup, the era. So that means that Sanjay Leela Bansali, sir, have actually aced and mastered the study and the research of this particular surrounding topics, that whatever he makes, whatever he creates, the cinematography, the filmmaking that he does around this area is always a hit. It doesn't happen just with a year or month of practice or study. It happens when you have devoted yourself completely to something for years and years. Similarly, even in architecture, अगर तुम्हें किसी एक पर्टिकुलर चीज़ में अगर तुम मास्टर हो जाते हो, यू आर रियली गुड एट द फील्ड, लाइक यू शुड बी सो गुड एट इट दैट nobody else is as good as you in that field. You should be the master of that field. Then you definitely can do something really good. For example, if you're looking at urban design, some people just focus on it, stick to it, become so good at it that you can ask the price that you want to deliver the result or the product. That means अगर तुम किसी एक सब्जेक्ट को लेते हो, इवन what content creators and bloggers do is the same. They stick to a niche and then they work on it. उसी तरीके से रिसेंटली मैं किसी चीज़ के लिए ENT के पास गई थी. Well, ENT is ears, nose, throat specialist. That's a field of medical. But उन्होंने हार्डली मुझे ऐसे डायग्नोस किया, देखा, चेक किया, एंड ये चार्ज ₹600. एंड आई वॉज इन साइड हिज कैबिन फॉर द डायग्नोसिस फॉर लाइक hardly a minute. I would say hardly 60 to 70 to 80 seconds was what I spent inside the cabin, but yet he could charge and demand ₹600 from me. And he didn't even say any, like, he didn't put any injection, he didn't give like hi-fi some medicines. He just gave me Otrivin, which was like जिसका ad हम लोग literally टीवी में देखते हैं. उसने Otrivin का nasal drops दिया मेरे को और फिर उसने paracetamol दिया और उन्होंने एक और चीज़ दिया था which was again like a normal known tablet. So he gave me those things and we came and we paid him the money, and of course medical का पैसा अलग से. So I just realized that, dude, it's so important that you're acing a subject, and when you do that, you can actually charge whatever you want. If not like whatever you want, but at least you can charge a good amount for little duration of work. Even architecture mein, if you have to grow and like charge more, you need to be specializing in a particular field. अगर तुम interior कर रहे हो, ace it in it. Be so good in interiors that nobody can compete you in that. So उसमें urban design होता है, landscape design होता है, product design sometimes, furniture design भी होता है, interior design, and of course writing, architecture writing. There's so many allied fields. You can just pick one that interests you the most and then just ace it, just become absolutely good in it. It is also about storytelling, how you present yourself. Our second topic for the day is how you convey to the audience or to the client what you're delivering to them. हम लोग को एक एक्सरसाइज कराया गया था इन आवर फर्स्ट ईयर ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर, अस्मिता कॉलेज में जो मैं पढ़ती थी. तो उन्होंने हमें एक पेपर दिया था एंड वी वर अ बैच ऑफ 17 to 20 स्टूडेंट्स, 17 स्टूडेंट्स रफली. सो हम लोग को एक पेपर दिया था, सबको एक ब्लैंक पेपर दिया था, एंड वी वर आस्क्ड टू स्क्रिबल समथिंग इन इट. वी ऑल डिड समथिंग. फर्स्ट ईयर लेवल में ज़्यादा था किया, एंड देन आफ्टर एवरी 30 seconds वी हैड टू स्विच इट. लाइक मैं अपना पेपर मेरे पीछे वाले को दूंगी, मैं बाजू वाला मुझे देगा, एंड इट गोज़ लाइक अ सर्कल, लाइक अ लूप. Every 30 seconds, we kept on changing it. After that, at the end, of course, we were asked to take back our papers, and we couldn't even recognize it because everybody has scribbled their own thing in it, and it looked literally, if you can understand what this is, it just looked very shabby and very weird and very alienistic. So we all got our papers, and then we were said ki make a story out of it. And we were like, what? Do you even see what is here? It's somebody has made a Thanos ka hammer, somebody has made Batman, somebody has made grass, somebody has made a baby, somebody has made a log in a tree. So it was a combination and a mixture of a lot of things, and we were said to make a story, and we were said to present it in a way that there's this picture shown, like whatever the picture is there, that picture should be shown on the screen, and you should be giving a voiceover in form of a story. And we made a story out of it, like after banging the head like really a lot of times, we actually made a story out of it, out of something scratch, and something that 17 people had their inputs in. We made a story out of it. So from there, I actually understood, and of course I was also graded well for that assignment. And I realized that one is of course finding a niche and going for a particular subject. इसके अलावा ये भी बहुत ज़रूरी होता है कि तुम्हें पता हो तुम स्टोरी कैसे क्रिएट करके प्रेजेंट करते हो. तुम्हें सब कुछ आता है ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है, बट तुम्हें जितना कुछ भी आता है, अगर तुम इसे बहुत अच्छी तरीके से, लाइक अ मास्टर, इफ़ यू प्रेजेंट इट वेरी कॉन्फिडेंटली, you still win the job. Okay, so it's very important, remember that whatever work you've done, if it is good, of course good, present it well. If you're doing a good job and you're not presenting it well, it will not work. But if you have done a bad job, know how to tomato your raita, know how to present it in a way that you are not showing the bad points, you're showing the good points of whatever work you've done, and that is reflected to the people, so that people can also see that अच्छा ये दिख रहा है गलत किया है, but ये अच्छा भी तो किया है. So you balance it out that way. Well, that's it for today. This is again coming out from my mere sheer experiences, and that's it for today, guys. Bye bye, see you in the next video.